Hey guys, Terry Brighton here again in sunny Wingham, Ontario. It's May 26th and it's about 75 degrees out here. Perfect day, just a light wind. You might be able to hear it on the phone. Anyway, I have another rebuilt stroker on the stand here today. This here is going to Jeff in Pembroke. I think it's going in as dark, but anyways, it's 340 board 40 over, 130 Icon forged pistons in it, CNC ported Speed Master heads, Edelbrock Air Gap intake. As usual, I will put all the build specs in the comments below. But this is the first time running this Howard's cam. It's a hydraulic roller. This engine goes to the dyno on Sunday, June, I'm not sure what it is, June 1st or something like that. Anyways, this Sunday. Today's May 26th. But anyways, as far as the cam specs, I know people like knowing about them. The part number is a 712105-10. It's 530 lift on intake and exhaust. The duration is 234 and 240 at 50. Actually, I just not sure if you can see that with the sun glare. But there is the cam specs. And again, it's first time using the Howard's cam. And it's going to the dyno on Sunday. So Daryl Waters at Daryl Waters Dyno is going to let me run this thing on Sunday down there. So let's start this up for Jeff and see how it sounds. And there's Jeff's new 420 cubic inch stroker 340. And again, it goes to the dyno next Sunday. We'll see what kind of horsepower this thing makes with the Speed Masters and that cam. Thanks for watching. Hey, we're here with Jeff and his boys. Jeff is from Pembroke. We're dynoing his 340. We're going to see what kind of numbers it makes here in a minute. And Jeff made a long trip from Pembroke down here. We're just outside of Aylmer, Ontario, dynoing his 340. So let's see what the numbers are. We got a couple other crew here too, watching what's going on. Great day. Okay, we're here with Daryl Waters. Daryl Waters Dyno Service, just outside of Aylmer. Actually, it's in Springfield, Ontario. We got this here 418 cubic inch We were thinking 490 horse. We haven't quite hit it. We're gonna do this as a final run. 520 at 551. 530 at 3400. Wow. 520. That's a lot of 500 torques. 550. Wow.
That's a 0.6, so we round that here to 551.
Those are good torque numbers. That's what the Howard's can.